Blue warriors are the people's dependents on anytime, anywhere, and every occasion. Royal Thai Armed Forces headquartered by Armed Forces Development Command Unit develop and help people in the Upper Northeastern Regional. On 24th of June 2023, Colonel Yot Thong Samran, Commander of Mobility Development Unit 2-1, Development Office Region 2, organized artificial insemination stop to operate on livestock of cattle farmer one caste that was Mrs. Prajit Jantani. At the same time, public relations invited the farmer to get COVID-19 vaccination service to reduce the risk of receiving and spreading the COVID-19 virus to farmers in area. At address number 69, Mu Thurs, Nong Sahai Sub-District, Nong Han District, Udon Thani Province. Thank you everyone for your like, sharing and subscribe us. ขอบคุณค่ะ
นักรบสีน้ำเงินต้องเป็นที่พึ่งของประชาชนในทุกที่ทุกเวลาและทุกโอกาส